Gonna show you guys this apartment that somebody lived in here for a long time and they smoked in here. I also want to tell you guys about a story I saw on the news about this 93-year-old guy that shoots a maintenance tech. Look at all this. Yellow. All the walls are yellow full of nicotine. Somebody lived in here for a long time, and of course he smoked in here. Had to remove all the popcorn because we'll never get the nicotine smell out of there. And so I'll just do a knockdown on it. Of course the carpets are coming out. Gotta scrub all these walls. Can't paint over the nicotine, of course. Gotta scrub them down. This apartment's gonna be a remodel, so we removed the wall. I'm removing flooring right now. All the vents. I always vacuum the vents. I was watching the news about this guy in Las Vegas. This 93-year-old guy shoots a maintenance tech over sounded like it was like a leak or some water damage in his apartment. And he walks in the office. The manager's there. It's on the news. It's on YouTube. You can watch that video. And shoots the maintenance tech. The manager was okay. Apparently, maintenance tech's all right too, because the news said that he had no life-threatening injuries. But that's crazy. It just goes to show that even at 93 years old, some people just never mature. That guy still got a long way to go. He's got to control his emotions a little bit better. But I hope everybody's okay. All right, I'll see you guys. I just wanted to show you guys this apartment. Of course, I'll show you a video once it's done. This is what a lot of years of smoking inside an apartment does. The guy was paying rent, so he could do whatever he wanted in here. I'm just showing you guys. I'll see you guys.